Today we will discuss about reproduction. We will know the definition of reproduction, and also we know that how many types of reproduction are found in living beings. So first of all, let us know that what is the definition of reproduction. Reproduction is the biological process by which new individual organisms are produced from their parents. Or we can also define it in other words that production of new progeny from their parents is called reproduction. Now we will know that what types of reproduction are present in living beings. So there are two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual. So first of all, let us see asexual reproduction. The reproduction in which offspring is produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation is called asexual reproduction. There are many types of asexual reproduction are present according to the structure of individual or organism. So we will know about all the types of asexual reproduction. See here, you are seeing all of the types of asexual reproduction. First is fission, second is fragmentation, the third is regeneration, fourth is budding, fifth is spore formation, and sixth vegetative propagation. First of all, we will discuss about fission. What is fission? The splitting or division of a single parent into two or more equal genetically identical organisms is called fission. Fission is also of two types. First is binary fission and second is multiple fission. Now we will know what is binary fission. If any organism divide into two equal part or two equal organisms and that organisms are identical, so that type of fission is called binary fission. If any organism divide into more than two organisms, then that type of fission is called multiple fission. You can see its definition. See here, it is written in binary fission, splitting of parent body into two equal genetically identical organisms is called binary fission. Example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. Now see the definition of multiple fission. The splitting of parent body into many daughter organisms is called multiple fission. Here, example of multiple fission is amoeba. Under unfavorable condition, the multiple fission occur in amoeba and plasmodium, malaria parasite. This plasmodium is malaria parasite. In this plasmodium, multiple fission occur.